everybody, I'm going to be showing you some updates we have made to the screen sharing side panel experience within Canvas using our LTI 1.3 integration. And you can see here, this is where the mentor is in the side panel. Now I'm going to be going through the screen sharing process now to show you these new UI UX updates to make the flow easier for students and so that they can understand the state of the mentor as well. Now I'll be silent for the first part just so that I can let the mentor start talking when I start screen sharing.
Hi there, I'm here to help. It looks like I can't see your screen at the moment. Could you share your screen so I can guide you better?
I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
Perfect. I can see your screen now. Let's take this one step at a time. What would you like to focus on first in the War of 1812 content?
So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the muted feature. In this case, this is me muting my own audio so the mentor doesn't hear what I'm saying. This is really helpful in case you're in an area with a lot of background noise, or you just need to take a pause from the conversation with the mentor. You can also see in the side panel where the mentor lives when you're not screen sharing. You're able to see the status in the screen sharing and also adjust the audio controls both for yourself and the mentor. Now I'm going to ask the mentor a question and I'm going to mute its audio so you can actually see the conversation being streamed down below in this screen share preview. Can you summarize the War of 1812 in one sentence? I'm also going to mute myself just while it's streaming the response. You can see right here that we can't hear the mentor, but we're still able to communicate via voice while receiving the text back. Now, another thing we have is these two different stop screen sharing buttons. And when you end the screen sharing, you'll actually be able to have a transcript of the conversation you were having while you were screen sharing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. So you can see here that this is the exact conversation that we were having with the mentor. And essentially these updates just make it easier for you to control what the mentor is hearing, when you want the mentor to verbally respond or have the response inside the preview. And you also have track of the conversation immediately upon ending screen sharing. And there you have it.